If you want to start a blog on Bluehost that can actually grow into something that supports your lifestyle, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from logging into Bluehost all the way to publishing your very first site. We'll use Bluehost's AI site creator with WordPress so you can get a blog online quickly without feeling overwhelmed by the setup. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and blogging tutorials just like this. It helps the channel a lot, and it tells me to keep making more videos that save you time. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools you'll use to create and manage your site. From there, click Add Website. This starts the process of building a brand new blog. Next, Bluehost will ask you what kind of site you want to create. Select WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms for bloggers because it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough to grow with you. If you want to build a blog that can eventually bring an income, WordPress is a great choice. After choosing WordPress, you'll see the option to create with AI Site Creator. Go ahead and select that. This feature is really helpful if you want Bluehost to do a lot of the setup work for you. Instead of starting from a blank screen, the AI creator helps generate a blog structure based on the information you give it. Now, you'll be asked to enter a site description. This is where you explain what your blog is about. Try to be clear and simple. For example, you could write something like a personal blog about food, travel, and everyday life. The more specific you are, the better the website builder can understand the style and direction of your blog. Then, you'll enter your site name. This is the name that represents your blog brand. For example, you might choose something like Daily Life. Pick a name that feels natural, easy to remember, and relevant to your content. If you ever plan to grow this into a real brand, a clean and simple name usually works best. Once you've added your site details, Bluehost will ask you to choose a preferred design. Take a moment here and look through the options carefully. Your design should match the feel of your blog. If you're creating a lifestyle blog, you may want something clean and modern. If your blog is more personal or creative, choose a layout that feels warm and inviting. Don't rush this step because the design helps shape the first impression visitors get. After choosing your design, let Bluehost generate the website. This may take a few moments while the system builds the structure of your blog. During this stage, Bluehost is creating the foundation for your site, including the layout and initial setup. Once it finishes, you'll have a working blog framework ready to customize. From there, continue to the WordPress dashboard. This is where the real customization begins. Inside the dashboard, you can control your blog posts, pages, menus, theme settings, and everything else that shapes your site. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry. The dashboard may look busy at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to manage. Now comes an important step. Click Publish. This makes your blog live and visible on the web. Publishing is the moment your site actually goes from being a draft or setup project to a real online blog that people can visit. If you've been waiting to see your idea come to life, this is the step where that happens. After publishing, you can move on to creating your first post. This part is optional, but I definitely recommend it. A blog feels more complete when it has at least one post published. Your first post could be a simple introduction, a welcome message, or a post about what your blog will cover. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. At this point, your Bluehost blog is set up, published, and ready for your content. From here, you can continue customizing your site, adding pages, changing your theme, and writing more posts over time. That's how a simple setup can turn into a blog that grows with you and potentially supports your goals. If you want more tutorials on WordPress, Bluehost, and how to build websites the easy way, make sure to subscribe. And if this video helped you start your blog today, give it a like so more people can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.